The crypto world has a way of making you feel like you are always one click away from a massive win. You stumble onto a site like Falxor and everything looks perfect. The design is crisp. The price tickers are moving in real time. It feels like a professional trading floor right on your screen. They promise a decentralized paradise where you can swap over 100 different coins with lightning speed. It even mentions rewards and open source foundations to give it that extra layer of tech credibility. But here's the thing about the digital age. A beautiful website is the easiest thing to fake. You can buy a polished template for a few $100s and look like a billion-dollar bank by lunchtime. The real test of a platform is not the font choice or the color palette. It is about the stuff that is usually hidden in the fine print. Think about transparency. If you look for the names of the people running the show, do you find them? Usually, legitimate exchanges are proud of their leadership. They show off their registration details and their legal compliance. They tell you exactly where your money goes when you hit that deposit button. They explain whether they use custodial wallets or smart contracts. With this specific platform, that clarity is missing. You are essentially handing your digital keys to a total stranger in a mask. That is a massive red flag in a market that is already as volatile as a thunderstorm. Then there is the withdrawal trap. This is where most people get burned. A site can work perfectly for months. You deposit funds. You trade. You see your balance go up and you feel like a total genius. But the moment you try to move that money back to your bank account, the walls close in. Suddenly, there are technical errors. There are new verification requirements. There are fees you never heard of before. You need to look for feedback outside of their official pages. Go to the forums. Go to the social media groups where real traders hang out. If people are screaming about frozen accounts, listen to them. They are the canary in the coal mine. Never let the shiny interface distract you from the basic math of risk. If a platform does not have clear regulatory backing, it is a gamble on top of a gamble. You are already dealing with the price swings of the coins themselves. Why add the risk of the platform disappearing overnight? If you still feel the urge to try it, start small. Put in a tiny amount that would not hurt to lose. Try to take it out immediately just to see if the pipes are actually connected. Most people skip this step because they get caught up in the excitement. They see the rewards and the clean layout and they go all in. That is how the trap snaps shut. Do your own homework. Do not trust the flashy graphics. In the end, your research is the only thing standing between your savings and a digital black hole. This space moves fast and it does not offer many second chances. Stay sharp. Keep your eyes on the fine print. Your money is worth the extra 10 minutes of scrolling through legal documents. Trust is earned through action, not through a well-designed landing page or list of features. Be the skeptic. It is the only way to survive the wild west of digital finance.